Hi, in this video I will show you how I edit this interior photo of restaurant in Capture One. So I will start from the white balance. I click on white balance tool and I click on something that should be neutral or gray or white. So I click here. Alright, it became more neutral, but I think it's too cold. So I increase the kelvins to around 3200. And now I go to color tool, here advanced, I click this, pick color tool, and I click on window. Because it's very blue, it was evening, so everything is correct, but I want to make more monochromatic color palette. So I would like to warm it up a little bit. I will do it by desaturating blue color. Okay, I think it looks nice. Maybe slightly brighter. Okay. Now contrast, shadows and lights. So I will start from highlights, decreasing highlights. I will open the shadows like this. Now it's a little bit too flat, so I add contrast, maybe a little bit blacks, and before it was like this, now it's like this. Maybe vignette. I will also use the gradient tool. It creates separate layer, and I decrease the exposure here to create even stronger vignette. Now I go back to image layer. It's very important when you create separate layer to go back to base layer where it covers all the image, because here if I want to change something, it will be visible only where the mask is. So here is the mask. You can see mask by pressing M, and the results will be visible only where mask is. So I go back to image layer, which is base layer, affecting all image. And maybe I would like to desaturate yellows. So I pick color yellow and I decrease saturation. Okay, so I hold Option key on Mac and press this arrow to see before and after. This adjustment, so windows and desaturating yellows. Okay. Maybe it should be a little bit warmer. So I will check how it looks. Okay. And now I think it's finished. So the image before and after.